Hey everybody, getting the finishing touches done. All I've got left to do is the chain, get it degreased and re-lubricated, and I'll be back in business. Alright, so this is the best degreaser cleaner that I have ever used. I used to buy this by the case when I ran my auto repair shop, and it actually dries with no residue. I don't know how they do it, but they do. But anyway, it's good stuff. That's what I use. And then this is the best chain lube that I've ever found. I use it also on my motorcycle. It is a wet lube. It is not a dry one. Some people prefer the dry, but I'm good with this one. So first thing I do is get me a piece of cardboard, get it at a good height, and what'll happen, that's going to deflect most of the grease and crap that comes off. So you can see right here on the gear how it is. Hang on one second. Give you an idea how this looks. Look at how well it clears that off of there. Ain't that awesome? I mean, it really does a good job. Let's see. I can barely see with the sun. See that coming off? Look at all that crap coming off of there. It's really important to hit the gears like I'm hitting them, because any debris that's trapped in there will cause some issues. You can get any of these, this can, you can get it from either a CarQuest or Advance Auto, AutoZone, any place like that. Alrighty, so what I end up doing when I get done is I spray the foaming chain stuff on there and keep working the chain around until I get to the beginning of it, and that's it. My service is done. Thanks for viewing. Talk to you later.